Hi students, good morning. Today we have discussed formula integration of f of x whole raised to n into f dash x dx equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, we have proved this one, and this is considered as a standard formula. F of x whole raised to n, f of x derivatives, if the answer is f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Now, today, one more standard formulas, integration f dash x by f of x dx. F of x, there in the denominator, this derivative is in the numerator. Yes? Then the answer is log of mod of f of x plus c, log of denominator. Let us prove this one. Let f of x equal to t. Why? Because f of x differentiation is in the numerator. Apply differentiation with respect of t on both sides. F of x differentiation is f dash x differentiation is dx by dt. T differentiation with respect of t is 1. F dash x dx equal to dt. Now integration f dash x dx by f of x. Integration of f dash x dx equal to dt by f of x equal to t. 1 by t integration log t plus c. So log of t, where t is equal to f of x plus c. This is integration of f dash x dx by f of x equal to log of mod of f of x plus c. This is one more standard formula. See, let us practice the problems. Integration of tan x. Integration of tan x. We have already done by using substitution method. Now this we can solve by using this formula also. Integration of tan x is sin x by cos x dx. Check, the cos x differentiation is minus sin x, but minus not in the numerator, you can multiply by minus. Correct? Now this differentiation is there here. This is f of x and this is f dash x. F dash x by f of x integration is log of. So minus log of f of x. F of x is the denominator cos x. So minus log of cos x whole power minus 1 plus c by using logarithm properties. 1 by cos x, which is equal to sec x. So log of sec x plus c. Are you following? So integration of tan x. The way of finding is sin by cos. Cos differentiation is there in the numerator. So cos x differentiation is minus. So multiply by minus. So minus log of denominator. Minus log of cos x. Minus log of cos x equal to log of sec x. Next, integration of cot x dx equal to cos x by sin x dx. See, sin x differentiation is there here. Sin x differentiation is there here. Okay, so the answer is log of denominator sin x plus c. Integration of 1 by x dx. X denominator derivative, x differentiation is there in the numerator. So log of f of x, denominator is x plus c. Are you following? Integration of 1 secant square x by tan x into dx. Denominator differentiation is there in the numerator. Tan x differentiation secant square x, then log of tan x. Are you following? So this is very important formula. Integration of f dash x by f of x dx equal to log of f of x plus c. We have practiced it in exercise some problems by using substitution method we have done. By using some problems may be related with this. Okay. So let's practice exercise 7.2 problems. Yes, the first question. Exercise 7.2. First question, integration of 2x by 1 plus x square dx. This is we have done by using substitution method. Let 1 plus x square equal to t. Yes. Now, by using that formula, this is denominator f of x. 1 plus x square differentiation 2x. So the what is the answer is log of denominator 1 plus x square plus c. Understood? Next. Third question, integration of 1 by x plus x log x dx equal to integration 1 by x take common 1 plus log x dx. Integration here 1 plus log x. This is generated like this 1 by x dx. See, this is f of x denominator. Let check it, f dash x is there in the numerator. 1 differentiation is 0 plus log x differentiation is 1 by x. The denominator derivative is there in the numerator. F dash x by f of x, which is in the form of integration f dash x by f of x dx. So which is equal to log of denominator. What is the denominator? 1 plus log x. This is short. By writing in theory, you just mention the formula here. This step we got it on base of that formula. Integration of f dash x by f of x. Here, we should write formula f dash x by f of x dx equal to log of f of x plus c. This formula should mention. Next. Question number 13 or question number 10. Integration 1 by x minus root x dx. See, which is equal to integration 1 by root x take on root x minus 1 dx. This is generated like this root x minus 1 by root x dx. Yes. Generated like this. It comes down. Yes. Now check it. The denominator this is denominator derivative is root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x minus 1 differentiation is 0. The denominator derivative is there 1 by 2 root x. Root x 1 by root x is there, 2 not there. Constant we can multiply, but variable we can't multiply. So 2 here getting 2 1 by 2 here 1 by 2. Correct? Sorry. This is the number 2 into 1. Yes. Now this is the f of x, which is in the form of f dash x by f of x dx equal formula log of f of x. So this is f of x, this is f dash x. F of x derivative is there in the numerator. So the answer is 2 into log of f of x denominator root x minus 1. Root x minus 1. Understood? Next. Fourteenth question. Integration 1 by x into log x whole raised to m. This is generated like this log x whole power m. 1 by x by log x whole power m dx. Generated like this. This is no, it is not applicable for this. Why? Because whole power m is there. If m not there, this is extra. This is we have done yesterday, which is the form of f of x whole power n into f dash x dx. If it is m, take up log x whole power minus m into or minus dx. This form. Okay. Now m consider as 1. Now log x derivative is there in the numerator. So tell me the answer is log of denominator log x plus c. Next. Question number 15. Integration x by 9 minus 4x square dx. 9 minus 4x square differentiation minus 8x. but 8 not minus 8 not there. Multiply minus 1 by 8 minus 8. This derivative is there, so the answer is minus 1 by 8 log of 9 minus 4x square plus c. Question number 20. 36 integration of sin x by 1 plus cos x. See this derivative 1 plus cos x derivative minus sin x, so multiply by minus numerator. So it is the form of f dash x dx by f of x equal to log of f of x. So minus log of 1 plus cos x. So log of 1 plus cos x whole power minus 1. So which is equal to log of 1 by 1 plus cos x. Yes. This is also question number 38. Integration 10 x power 9 plus 10 power x log x base c dx divided by log 10 base c, log 10 base c by x power 10 plus 10 power x. See the denominator derivative x power 10 derivative is 10 into x power 9 plus 10 power x differentiation 10 power x is log 10 base c. The denominator derivative is in the numerator, so the answer is log of denominator. So log of x power 10 plus 10 power x plus c. This is the formula. If denominator derivative is in the numerator, the answer is log of denominator. Okay. So this is second standard formula. Next, third standard, one more formula. Integration f dash x dx by root f of x dx. What is the difference? They said this. Here root not there. Here whole denominator derivative is in the numerator. Here not whole denominator, only root, under root. This is f of x. This differentiation is there. Denominator means including root. Okay. Here the whole denominator derivative is there, but here whole not derivative. Inside root inside function derivative is there. Okay. Then f dash x by root f of x dx equal to 2 root f of x plus c. Okay. Let f of x equal to t, f of x differentiation f dash x dx equal to d, integration f dash x dx by root f of x equal to f dash x dx equal to dt by root f of x equal to t. 1 by root t integration 2 root t plus c equal to 2 root of t f of x plus c. Integration of f dash x dx by root f of x dx. Okay. Now by using this formula, see integration 1 by root x dx. See, is it continuous formula? Root x, where f of x is x differentiation is 1. Then answer is 2 root f of x is x plus c. Integration of secant square x dx by root tan x. Tan x inside function differentiation is there. Okay. F dash is by root f of x. Integration is 2 root f of x, 2 root of tan x plus c. Okay. Let's practice exercise 1.2 problems. Here, question number 6, 7.2 exercise. Integration of root of x plus, no, this is not in this box. This is a f of x whole power. Yes, no? 1d. Yes, 1d3. No. Not. 28. integration cos x by root of 1 plus sin x dx. Root of 1 plus sin x dx. So 1 plus sin x differentiation is cos x. So the answer is 2 root of 1 plus sin x. And 34, question number 34. 34. Integration of root of tan x by sin x into cos x dx equal to root of tan x by, this is denoted like this, sin x by cos x here cos square x. Sin x by cos x is tan x, cos square x is LDB. Root tan x by tan x is equal to 1 by root tan x. And 1 by cos square x equal to secant square x. See, f dash x by root f of x. Integration is 2 root f of x is equal to 2 root of f of x. F of x means tan x plus c. Like this. Okay. These three standard formulas most important. Once again, I am repeating. Note down the integration of f of x whole raised to n into f dash x dx equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Integration of f dash x by f of x dx equal to log of f of x plus c. Integration of f dash x by root f of x dx equal to 2 root f of x plus c. While solving any problem, first you check these three methods. The formula, the problem, is it contain these three formulas, then use this method. If it is not contain these three formulas, then use substitution method. Are you following? Understood? Integration of, see, just now we have discussed 1 by x into log x whole power m dx. This is contain which formula in this? First. How? This is take up log x whole power minus m into 1 by x dx. See, f of x whole raised to n, f of x differentiation 1 by x. So formula f of x means log x whole power minus m plus 1 by minus m plus 1 plus. Are you following? If m not there, integration of 1 by x log x dx, m not there, which form it contain? Second one. Okay. If it is 1 by x into root of log x, if it is, which form it contain? Third. So like this. The method wise you should strictly follow while solving the integration problems. Okay. Differentiation, there is a only single concept. There is a single formula, chain rule. But integration not like that. Problem wise, there is a method. Okay? Got a point? That's why be careful while solving the problem. The problem is contain this. First check it, is it contain standard formula or not? Okay? If not contain, check it. These also consider standard formula. 1, 2, 3. Okay? If not contain these formulas, standard formulas, then go for substitution method. Okay? If it is not substitution method, then next other methods. We are discussing problem wise methods. So this is this type of problem only. This is in the form of this. Then only this formula applicable. Okay. So these type of all problems we can apply. We can use this formula. Okay. Problem wise methods are there in integration. That's why while solving integration we say methods. Method means it's particular problem. The method is useful for particular problem. Okay, not for all. For all problems there is no one method. But in differentiation, for all the problem, one method is there. That is chain rule. So that is the difference between integration and differentiation. Solving differentiation very easy, but integration is difficult. Okay? Why? Because method wise there are many methods. So that's why you should identify this formula, this problem having which method. Then go for strictly that method only. Then you will get it. Okay, that's your formulas. If you had, you will get the idea what to do. If there is no formulas, if you feel difficult, you can't get idea. The ideas depend on by formulas. Okay, these 3 standard formulas you can buy it. For integration of sin x dx is minus cos x. Integration of cos x dx equal to sin x plus you write it. For all this plus you compulsory to add. Integration of tan x dx log of sec x plus integration of cot x log of sin x plus c. Integration of sec x log of sec x plus tan x or log of tan pi by 4 plus x pi by 4. Integration of cosec x dx equal to log of cosec x minus cot x or log of tan x by 9. Log of tan x by 9 plus here log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 9. Right? All integration, all trigonometry integration formulas we have done. We got it. Yes? Earlier we don't know tan x and cot x integration. That also we got it. Tan, cot, sec we don't know. Okay? Now we got it. Yes? And now coming to the next, integration of sin square x dx, integration of cos square x dx, integration of tan square x dx, integration of cot square x dx, integration of cosec square x dx, integration of secant square x dx. Tell me integration of secant square x. Tan x plus cosec square x integration minus cot x plus c. What about this cot square x integration? In first class we always this. How? Convert cot x square x converted to this. Cot square x. Cosec square x means cot square x equal 1 by using trigonometric identity. Cot square x equal to cosec square x minus 1 dx. Finish. Cosec square x integration minus cot x minus 1 integration x plus c. This we got it. You are done. Now what about tan square x? Yes, secant square x minus 1 dx. Secant square x integration tan x minus 1 integration x plus c. Now let's discuss this sin square x and cos square x. How? So let us find out sin square x. All 4 we got except this. Integration of sin square x, most important. Tell me the way of finding. 1 by 2 sin square x. Sin square x equal 1 minus cos square x. Again cos square x we don't know. Both we don't know. Here tan square x while finding we are depend on secant square x. This is we know, this is we know. That's why we are done easily tan square x versus square x. But sin square cos square relation is sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. If you know cos square x, we can find sin square x. But cos square x you don't know integration, sin square x you don't know integration. So we have to reduce the power. We have to reduce the power. What is the formula? Reducing formula C. We know cos 2x equal formula 1 minus 2 sin square x. Here power is 2, here power is 1. Okay? Tell me 2 sin square x. 2 sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x. Sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. This is the formula. Here power is degree 2, here degree is 1. Reduce the power. Why? Because when you reduce the power, this is cos x in the form of standard formula. Cos x integration. Are you following? We know this integration, but we don't know this. So we have to reduce the power to known formulas. Okay. Okay. Now integration of sin square x. Integration of sin square x dx equal to integration of 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. This is keep in mind. Tan square x if comes, convert into that. Cot square x cos square x minus 1. If it becomes sin square x, 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Change the formula. 1 minus cos 2x by 2. In here 1 by 2 constant. Integration of 1 minus cos 2x dx. Tell me 1 by 2 integration of 1 dx x. Cos 2x integration sin 2x by 2. First starting class we have discussed by 2 plus this is the answer x by 2 minus sin 2x by 4 plus c. This is the integration of sin square x. This is the way to find the integration of sin square x. Okay? Got a point? The same way you try yourself integration of cos square x. Cos square x dx. You have reduced the power. Tell me the cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x. Okay? Most important formula. 1 by 2 integration 1 plus cos 2x dx. So 1 by 2 integration of 1 x plus cos 2 integration sin 2x by 2 plus c. This is integration of cos 2x. This is integration of sin square x. See, we have done integration of sin square x. How to find integration of sin square x? By using 1 minus cos 2x there. Reduce the power. Integration of cos square x 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Integration of tan square x secant square x minus 1.